How to use TikTok. New to TikTok and want to learn how to use it? Hi everyone, this is Rose and in this video, we'll be teaching you the beginner's guide to TikTok where you will learn all the basics to help you get started using the TikTok app. So without further ado, let's get started. If you haven't downloaded the TikTok app yet, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. Now you can launch TikTok application by tapping on it. Make sure to sign into your account. So the For You page FYP is TikTok main feed filled with trending and personalized content based on your interactions. When watching a video, you can use the buttons on the right to like, comment, save, or share the video. Tap the sound icon to explore the videos using the same audio. In order to search for creators, effects, songs, or topics, tap the magnifying glass icon in top right corner of your screen. To create or edit videos, tap the plus button to start a new TikTok. You can record a video with the app or upload one from your device. You can choose the length 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes, or even the 10 minutes. Then you can easily add a sound by tapping Add Sound at top of your screen. After that, you can easily customize with filters, effects, or speed adjustment before recording, and you can switch between front and back camera using the arrow at top right corner of your screen. Once recorded, you can easily check mark or access the editing screen, add text, sticker, effects, and filters, and then once ready, you can add to your story or post it permanently. So, one more TikTok app tricks, then you can easily comment it on this video. So if you want to check your uploaded videos, you can go to your profile at bottom right corner of your screen and then check it out on this section. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.